on me. Promise that you never be lonely.
Hello everyone, today I will be showing you viewers how I bleach and dye my raw virgin hair bundles, and these are 2 pieces of 18 inches and 1 piece of 16-inch with a lace frontal. The frontal is already been used and I am using it again basically because there's nothing wrong with this frontal. I always get my frontals from the same hair company. So 3 bundles is enough to make a wig, and this is raw hair bundles, and these are raw virgin hair and natural wavy texture. Cambodian is very full and thick, and just 3 can make a wig with a frontal. Just 3 can make a wig. So as I initially stated, 2 bundles of 18-inch and 1 bundle of 16-inch. If I should tell you viewers, I've never had that length in my life, would you believe it? I want to try short hair. It's either I go really short, as in short, Rihanna short hairstyle, but this time around I want to try something different. So this is 40 peroxide and rapid white bleach powder. Very nice. Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Today, as you saw in the title, how to dye your hair mocha / Sinai brown using raw virgin hair extensions. I have 3 bundles of hair with a lace frontal from the same company called the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique, and this hair is perfect for me. This is raw hair. This hair is gonna last me years. And at the beginning of the video, you viewers saw how I dyed my bundles. I bleached my bundles for just 2 minutes because I didn't want it really blonde, because I knew I was dyeing it brown. Then I mixed my Adore Mocha and Senai. Why do I keep on saying Senai? Cyan brown. Mixed it to just 2 bottles. After I bleached my bundles, washed it whilst my hair was damp, applied my hair dye, left it overnight, washed it out the next day, conditioned it for a day, air dried my hair. Then this is the amazing color, and these bundles are from the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique. The frontal was a frontal I used previously, and this frontal, this is about my 3rd or 4th time of using it, and it's lasted me over, let's say, over 6 months. It's going on a year. I don't see the reason why people buy new frontals each time they fix their hair. If you have quality hair, your frontal should last you up to 1 year, okay? So I basically invested in raw hair bundles and raw hair frontal, and the bundles were fresh bundles. As you can tell, this hair is juicy, this hair is everything, this hair is live, this hair is flowy, this hair is quality, this hair is top notch. I don't know what else to say about this hair but than to say good things about this hair. This hair is amazing. That's the only hair I use on this YouTube channel in my life. That's the hair I use for most of my clients that wants me to recommend hair for them, the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique. And obviously I'm doing a 20% coupon code for you viewers, which is my name, Ativelt20. All the info will be in my description box down below, as well as your website. This hair is everything. This was a hair dye tutorial / mini talk / review. Hope you viewers did enjoy it. I'll see you viewers in my next. Stay blessed. Bye.